Euro against US dollar this week has fell in value, and we can see the week started with this bearish candle going below this area of support 1.17488. After that, the price has bounced, returning to the previous support, now acting as a resistance, and then the price again returned back down. Again, on a Thursday, the price was jumping up and down between the area support and the resistance, and on a Friday, the price has stopped just at the support. We can see that for 5 days, the price could not manage to go below this area of support, which means the buyers are still holding and they are much stronger than the sellers, but the sellers are pushing because we can see most of these candles could not manage to go above this area of resistance, and also these two candles on a Wednesday and also Friday could not manage to come very close to this area of supply zone, which means there is no buying strength here, more pushing strength from the sellers, but also the buyers are holding. Weekly time frame shows us that we have currently a bearish candle. It is a bearish weekly candle has been formed, and it is right here around 1.16836 support level. A monthly time frame is just started. It is almost middle of the month, so we cannot make any conclusions. There is still open space to go above to the area of resistance, which is confluence of resistance between this area, between this trend line acting as a resistance and this horizontal line acting as a resistance. This area, which is 1.19, is the next level as a strong resistance on the monthly time frame. Will that happen? We will see how the price behaves on the lower time frames. On the weekly time frame, we don't have too much details here visible because the price has just stopped in between this area of support and this area of resistance. So it is in between the support and the resistance on the weekly time frame. The daily time frame shows us that the price is currently at the support, but there is also space to return to 1.158, which is also the next support level if the price manages to make a bearish breakout below this area of support. So what we can expect now from this area, currently on the daily time frame, the price is forming a bullish trend, and this bullish trend could be also broken if the price goes below this area of support. This is something that we need to wait on a Monday until the price manages to make a bearish breakout, or it will return back above the area 1.17488. So where first the breakout happens, is it bullish here or bearish here? This will be indication of the further direction of the price. So I will stay outside of the market and wait until the breakout happens. When that breakout happens, I will know where the price is trying to move, especially on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. I will have much more clear information where the price is heading. So when there is a breakout, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders. For example, here, when the price has formed this bullish breakout with a strong bullish candle, indication that the price will try to reach this area. We can see this was a take profit level. This was the stop loss. And we can see that the price has returned back down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as support, and then moved higher and reached the take profit level. So this one was a profitable trade for the traders inside the premium analysis. The premium analysis link will be below in the description if you would like to join and receive these updates. So for now, I'm waiting on the EURUSD, waiting to see how the price will behave around this area of support, and after that we will see what happens. But currently, what we can see on the daily time frame, it is a pretty strong bearish momentum pushing the price down and trying to make a bearish breakout. We can see for 5 days the bears have pushed the price down, trying to make a bearish breakout going below this area of support, currently unsuccessfully. But this also support cannot hold too much, and we will see will that be on a Monday when the breakout happens. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.